How are you guys? Today unboxing Syska the trimmer, the 5-in-1 trimmer for using for nose, hair, everything. That's it unboxing. Before the unboxing the video, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Please share this video. Okay guys, the first one is Flipkart. And I Flipkart Plus membership. Yes, just cut down. Charge, then use continuously 4 hours. Guys, keep it like this. Also charge also. Okay guys, then use for electric wire also. Let's start boot. So using here, everything there. Just keep it there. Please see the 5 adapter there. 1 and 2 for nose. This is for nose. This is the 0% trimming. And here also then cleaning brush. Then have comb also available there. The build quality, everything is good. The quality already is good. I purchased this one Amazon in from Flipkart from 1000 rupees something. Now its MRP price is 1800 rupees. You purchase in the Flipkart Amazon something 2000 rupees this one. And Flipkart Plus membership, that's why this one purchase. The review is good, guys. I'll use this one. My friend also using there. I purchased from maybe more than 2-3 hours. I'll purchase this one. I give you link in the description box for you want to purchase this one. The good quality, everything they are good. Syska, the trimmer name is. The good quality. I have 1 year, 2 year warranty. 2 year warranty. Okay, guys. Here's the quality and so on. Please like and video and subscribe my channel. Please do not forget to see, like and share and subscribe my channel.